Hi everyone, it's day 6 of the $1 one stock challenge. Today it looks like we're up 5 cents, so we're going to take a look at our portfolio and see how we're doing on those stocks. Alright, so it looks like our biggest winner is Goldman Sachs with a 3 cent gain. Not too shabby, and it will definitely go up more as the month goes on. American Water, the one we bought yesterday, looks like that's up 1 cent already, so that one's looking pretty good as well. The SP 500, that was our first pick, up 1 cent. Google, we bought that on Monday. JP Morgan, Berkshire Hathaway, and Alibaba are all even and 1 cent down on Alibaba. So we can go ahead and see what we're going to be buying today is going to be Visa. They are a really popular payment processing, actually the largest in the world. It looks like they processed $8.2 trillion. They operate in 200 countries and process transactions in 160 currencies. So they are definitely a big player in the payment processing game. So we can go ahead and see what their share price is. So it's $201.19 for one share. So we can go ahead and buy $1 of that. And it looks like the ticker symbol for Visa is V. So we can go ahead and hit next. And it says buy $1 of Visa. So we have the order type is a market. Approximate share price is $201.21 like before. Looks like we're buying 0.005 shares. And the ticker symbol is V like I said before. So let's go ahead and hit confirm. Alright, we purchased $1 of Visa. So now we are a partial owner of a share. So now we can go ahead and see we're up. So we have $8 now. Now let's go ahead and see if any of the biggest movers today. All right, so we have Bank of New York, Six Flags, that's up 7%. Spirit Airlines is up 7%. Luckin Coffee is 6% up. Pinterest is up 5%. That's surprising. Let's see, anything else surprising? Oh, that's down. So Chewy's down 4%. So looks like we have some pretty good picks on our portfolio so far. I'm excited to see what happens next with them. And yeah, so I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Make sure to check back if you haven't already watched the earlier episodes. And I actually put a link down in the description below if you guys want to try the Cash App for investing or just in general. We'll both get $5 for that. So, and also if you want to try Robinhood as well, I put a link in the description. So I appreciate you guys for watching this. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later.